Yes, everyone. So this is Sabrina from the Dollor Bangladesh. So I am the mainly in charge of the Dollor brand in the Bangladesh. So we are the brand from China manufacturer. So for this exhibition, we are mainly launching two machines. One is the slip bracket machine for the sir and pocket setter for these two automotion machine. So for this machine, mainly for the manpower saving. This one mainly for the slip bracket attached. So this machine, 1 minute can be 4 pieces doing. Normal there, in normal process, then operator manually doing 1 minute only 1 pieces. But this one, that 1 minute 4 pieces, mainly for the manpower saving for the factory. So see, no need any ironing, directly attach the slip bracket. So another advantage for this machine is that when we're doing the stitching, in the meantime we can do the fabric loading. So see the stitching quantity, compare the manual, excellent quantity. So and also that we have another pocket setter machine for the manpower saving. Nowadays in the market, mainly every brand doing for the denim, but we are doing for the light fabrics. So so here showing the stitching quantity. It's very nice stitching. So mainly that these two machines is bring us the Bangladesh market for the manpower saving and the quality improve. And also I'm thank you for the us for prepare this exhibition. We bring lots of the customer, and today we already have 5 big group already confirmed the order for these two machines. Thank you.